cousins, how's everybody doing today? Good, because your girl is back with another video. So today, you guys, as you see, your girl got cabbage, okay? So today, we are going to roast some cabbage, you guys. I'm going to start off by putting a stick of butter into the saucepan, and we're going to let it melt, you guys. So how is all of my cousins doing? Good, 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 good. So yeah, your girl is back. So you guys, I have truly missed you guys. And yeah, your girl is trying to get it together, you guys. I don't know if you guys can tell it. But yeah, the weight is coming down, okay? Okay, don't mean to brag, but the weight is coming down. You guys, I hope you're enjoying all the content that I'm creating and putting out. I'm trying to bring you my best, you guys. And yeah, if you're new to this channel, thank you. And if you're a rider, I would love to thank you for giving me all your love and your support. So if you're not new and you're just looking in, hit that subscribe button. Come join your girl. Your cuz would love to meet you guys. I would love to share information. And yeah, hey, what else is you doing? But anywho, you guys, if you're ready for this video, I'm going to need you guys to stay tuned. Okay, so, yeah, you guys. So, we're going to go ahead and we're gonna keep the core in. So, yeah, we're going to go ahead and chop that on. Uh-oh. You guys, let me get some. Put this pin right here. Really want to take that off. And you say, what am I going to do with the rest of that? You guys, hold on. Okay, so we're going to go ahead. Do I want to quarter it? I don't know. Which way would be best? So we're going to just go down in here like this. Because I would like to keep it all together. Oh, there. That's the hard thing about cutting cabbage whole. Gotta use so much force. Yeah. Gotta use so much force. So we're gonna go ahead. And we're gonna put it over here. You guys. I'm going to leave that whole because that's what I want. You guys, hold on. Okay, guys, so I had to get my corn because we got some fresh kernel sweet corn. And we're going to go ahead and we're going to also roast some corn with this. Because this is your girl dinner. So yeah, you guys, I've been watching my weight because this year is going to be a little better. And we're going to roast this on 375, and we're going to watch it. So how's all my cousins? Wanted to make sure I got it all in there. And we got some of my special seasoning that I mixed up. We got a little of this, a little of that. You guys. Oh, that looks so delicious. So once we get it all roasted, you guys, let me see. Get some of that butter on the other side, you guys. Yes. So we're going to cover this up, you guys. Hold on. Yeah, we're going to cover this up. Leave it in vent room. And we're going to stick this in the oven for approximately a half an hour, and then we'll be back. Okay, guys, so we're back. And so I hope you guys can get a good view. You know what? Hold on. Okay, guys, so we done sweated some of it. And your girl is going to add some other seasonings on it, such as steak seasoning. Now, I know some of you guys said, this is not steak, though. Well, I consider it as steak. Because now we finna let the roasting begin. And we're going to add a little paprika on it for the brownies to help with color. It's not going to hurt anything to be on some corn. So, yeah. We're going to slide it back in the oven, and we're going to let it roast this time. Now, I'm putting the temperature on 400, you guys. Okay, so I put the temperature back on 400, and it's back in the oven. We're going to let it cook another 15 minutes. So, guys, we're back, and this is my oven roasted cabbage. Some call it steak cabbage, along with some roasted corn. You will enjoy this, and it's affordable, and yeah, it's delicious. So let me put me some crushed peppers on the piece that I'm gonna eat. You remember this circle? Yeah. So yeah, you guys, share this video with any and everyone. Let them know what your girl is doing on her channel. And yes, she will not have any regrets. You don't necessarily need meat in order to enjoy your meal. So sending much love from my house to yours. Goodbye.